Well, here's our first project vehicle. As you can see, it's a truck. What kind of truck? Well, we're going to figure that out. Just rolled off the back of the tow truck just a few minutes ago. We bought this car cover off of Amazon.com. It's been covered up in between working on it and not cause any problems with the management of my apartment complex. As you can see, a little hint of rust. Well, that's not exactly a hint, that's a full-blown statement. This truck has rust. Flat tires, ball tires. Yep, so the first step, I believe, is to get a battery for this thing, see if we can get it to turn over. Got more parts on the way. And like I said, this is the day one of the restoration. Let's see how it goes.